All right, this video is for the area of a trapezoid note. It's going to be lesson 8.2. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. So we've got two ways that we can break these down. We're going to start with the blue one, okay? We can break it down into two triangles. So on this blue one, what we're going to do is we're going to cut on the diagonal, okay? Not the height, on the diagonal. We're going to separate C from D. Okay, and then you're going to glue them down separately. Again, just a little bit of glue to get them down. If we need to go back with tape later, we can do that. Okay. All right, so if we break a trapezoid into two triangles, we can find the area of each triangle. Do y'all remember the area formula for a triangle? 1/2 BH. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the area of triangle C. So that's going to be 1/2. The base is 6. And then I know it's kind of hard to see. There's a really faint dashed line that shows you the height. So the height on this is 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. Half of 24 would give me 12. And this is feet. Whoa. Feet squared. And then we can do the same thing for D. We can find the area of D using the exact same formula. So base here is 9. And then the height here is 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Half of 36 is 18. And that's feet squared. So to get the area of the trapezoid, we can combine those two. We can add 12 plus 18 to get 30. And that would be the area of trapezoid A, 30 feet squared. So you can break it down into two triangles, find the area of each triangle, and then smush them back together. All right. The other thing that we can do is we can create a parallelogram out of these. Okay? Here's how we're going to create the parallelogram. It's the two purple pieces. One goes upright, and then the other one goes upside down. And you fit them together where they make one shape. Okay?
You say you cut that triangle?
What, baby?
You said you cut off the triangle?
No. Not on this one, we don't. Okay? If it's a parallelogram, we can do that to rearrange it and make a rectangle. But this time we're actually trying to make a parallelogram out of it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So what was our formula for area of a parallelogram? Base height. Okay. So to find the base of this parallelogram, it goes all the way from here to here. So I'd have to add these two pieces together. 11 and then the 8. So the base of my parallelogram is actually 19. So to find the area of this big parallelogram, we would multiply the base of 19 times the height of 6. And up here, if you use this side, it would be the same. 8 plus 11 is 19. So 19 times 6 gives me 114, and these are yards. Yards squared. So, found the area of the parallelogram. How could I use that area to find the area of just the trapezoid? How many of the trapezoids did I use to make the parallelogram? 2. So if the area of 2 of the trapezoids is 114, how would I find the area of 1 of the trapezoids? Divide it by 2. And that would give me 57 yards squared. So the area of just that single trapezoid, trapezoid B, is 57 yards squared. The formula that we're going to be using is area equals 1/2, and then it's base 1 plus base 2 times the height. That base 1 plus base 2 is what we did here. The half is when we cut it in half. Okay? All these are doing is just showing you how the formulas were created. Okay? So B1 and B2 are the two bases. It does not matter which one is base 1. It does not matter which one is base 2. It does matter on this one that you put the height in the right spot. So the triangles and the parallelograms didn't. This one does. So that's it for this set of notes.